In today's technology-dominant world, HR employees manage an organization's lifeblood, its data. Meet Mary, a diligent HR manager at Fresh Financial. Mary is in charge of all the administrative functions within the organization, including access permissions and who has access to see the information. One routine request from her trusted assistant, Mark, changed everything. Since Mary did not have any audit controls in place, she accidentally granted access to the wrong data set, exposing personal and confidential information about employees and customers. A simple oversight exposed sensitive employee data to everyone. Fresh Financial's reputation and compliance were on the line. Massive fines, an investigation, angry employees, one click almost jeopardized an entire company. NetTech, a professional technology organization, helps you avoid such pitfalls by ensuring your data is safe with clear, strong protocols and audit controls. We make sure that only employees who need to see the data have access to it. We also train your employees on how to properly use your file sharing systems, eliminating accidental errors. Data management is part of our IT subscription program based on best practices to keep your organization safe, compliant, and secure. With NetTech, Mary doesn't have to worry about this ever happening again. Her files are safe, giving her and the company peace of mind. Secure your data. Protect your organization. Choose NetTech.